A new day begins over a modern city skyline. Buildings waking up, lights turning on, airport terminals bustling, hospital corridors active, corporate campuses humming. Every morning, millions of people step into buildings they trust. Day after day, people place their confidence in the spaces they work. They walk into hospitals expecting safety with sterile environments and reliable infrastructure. They enter offices expecting comfort with good climatic control, secure access, smart energy, all these with seamless connectivity. They visit malls expecting convenience with effortless navigation and enjoy pristine cleanliness and ambient comfort. They travel through airports expecting seamless movement and enjoy their terminal experience and boarding and departure procedures with seamless, effortless experience. Students study in campuses, expecting a clean, secure, functional environment with cleanliness, functionality, security, and sustainability. All this is possible through the invisible operating system. Every building you enter, every workspace you trust, every environment you rely on, there is a force at work that most people never see. Behind every comfortable building where the temperature is just right, the lights respond without thought, and the space simply works. This is not luck. This is design, discipline, and a profession working in silence. Behind every efficient workplace, productivity doesn't happen by accident. It happens through seamless energy optimization, space planning, and systems integration. Behind every safe environment, security systems, fire suppression, access control, and emergency protocols are followed seamlessly. The systems running right now, the HVAC systems, the engineering teams, and the housekeeping operations, which follows floor by floor for the readiness, sanitation standards, and environmental presentation. An invisible operating system. It runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and when it works, nobody notices. That is the point. A profession few understand. Facilities management is not maintenance. It is not even janitorial. It is not a support function. It is a discipline that ensures buildings perform, people are protected, assets are preserved, and organizations can focus on their mission, not their infrastructure. The profession is invisible by design, but its success is measured by the absence of failure. Facilities management is quietly powering the modern civilization at a huge quantum. The backbone of every organization, from hospitals to headquarters, schools to skyscrapers, all is managed by this discipline. That is facility management. The profession few understand, yet one that quietly powers the modern civilization. So, learn, apply, and lead. Recognize it, invest in it, lead it. Hello everyone, welcome to FacilityFlow Academy. Whether you are brand new to facilities and infrastructure or already working as a manager looking for a sharper framework, this channel is built for you. Every concept is explained in simple language but held to the professional standards used in real organizations. In this series, we will cover hard infrastructure, soft services, people and compliance, and digital transformation. Every lesson includes a practical framework, a checklist, and a mini quiz, so you can measure your progress immediately. Your goal after this series is not just to memorize the terms, but to think like a facility decision maker. So let's begin with what exactly is facility management. This is going to be a complete beginner to advanced video series, and it is going to be in a structured progression with practical frameworks and measurable progress. You will learn this in 6 levels of mastery, starting with the level 1 foundations, level 2 planning and life cycle, level 3 operations and service delivery, level 4 compliance, safety and risk, level 5 cost, people and performance, level 6 sustainability and digital transformation. So follow the full series. Every level of the FacilityFlow Academy series is waiting for you. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss a lesson and start building the skills that will set you apart as a facility management professional. Your goal after this series is not just to memorize the terms, but to think like a facility decision maker. So welcome to FacilityFlow Academy. Learn it, apply it, and lead it.